Listening is a key language skill and one that all humans excel in. You have almost superhuman-like ability to listen, analyze and comprehend what you listen. And not just the words, but also the emotions the speakers have about the topic. You display this superhuman-like ability whenever you're listening. Listening to phone calls, listening to lectures at schools and universities, or even now when you're listening to me. Your subconscious mind is comprehending what you're listening to and associating it with your knowledge bank so as to internalize new information and make it part of yourself forever. The information that it finds not useful is discarded in the recycle bin of your memory to be eventually forgotten. When you talk to your friends, you frequently use these skills to recall conversations and lectures to pass on information to a friend who has missed a lecture or was not present during a conversation. It is because of listening, this ability, that you learn your first language as a toddler. First, you use your listening skills to understand and make sounds, and then learn to put them together to pronounce meaningful words and then sentences. The primary reason most test takers fear and don't do well in this item type is because they are not aware of the abilities they have and spend their energy executing inefficient strategies that does not get them the scores which reflect their true English potential. Such test takers spend their time consciously memorizing and making notes of everything that is being said. As such, they miss out on important information, they do not comprehend the message, and are not able to present information in language and structure which is required by PTE. Instead, what you should be doing is, before the audio starts playing, you should prepare by analyzing the image and recalling information you have about the topic and predicting what the speaker is likely to talk about. When the audio starts playing, you should become oblivious of everything else around you and focus all your energy on listening and comprehending the message. When you're listening, your focus should be to identify the primary and subtopics of the lecture. You will know the primary topic from the image. Let's say it's economics, which is an extremely broad topic. So as you listen, you learn the subtopic is monetary policy. It's further narrow down the scope of the primary topic. And to further narrow it down, it may talk about monetary policy in Australia and may even further narrow it down to monetary policy in Australia in the context of let's say RBA's rate decision and its effect on macroeconomy. This is exactly how a human mind processes information subconsciously when it's listening for comprehension without the pressure of retail lecture item type. After you have the primary and subtopics, all you need to do is comprehend what is being said about these topics. You need to comprehend if it is describing a problem. If yes, what is the problem? Is the speaker giving examples? If yes, then what is the point of these examples? Is he drawing relationships with other topics? Is he giving implications? And so on. When you listen with such attentive curiosity, you will need no preparation time. You will be able to retell lecture in your own words about what you heard and with confidence, which will naturally display the skills that PT intends to test with this item type. Tapping into the power of subconscious mind requires the skillful execution of skills that are described in this video requires practice. Now, our retell lecture item type questions are chosen specifically to help you build these skills. You will find lectures on various topics in various native English users' accents and at varying rate of speech, just as you will in the actual PT test. Furthermore, with approximately 30% of questions set at a difficulty level higher than the actual PT test, you will gather all skills required so that the actual test will seem like a walk in the park. If you're an existing student, I recommend that after attempting every practice test, go through the answer keys and then listen and attempt the lecture questions again, but in writing. That is it for this video. If you learned something new in this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And support us by enrolling in one of our PT preparation courses that you need for one attempt PTE success. If you have any further questions, please get in touch by any means given on the contact page of our website. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and goodbye for now.